Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
For part A, the approximation of r prime of 1 is found using the average rate of change over 0 to 2, r of 2 minus r. Minute squared. For part B, since r of t is differentiable, it is continuous, because r of 8 equals 150 and r of 10 equals 162, com C in 8 to 10 and thus 0 to 10 such that r of C equals 155. One times 190 plus 3 times 250 plus 1 times 312 equals 1252 words. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.